Λοιπόν, παιδιά, σήμερα θα κάνουμε ένα τραγούδι για σας. Έχω να φέρει ένα μικρόφωνο που λέει Stay Sigma. Πάμε μαζί.
Oh my God, you're Sigma. Stay Sigma. Oh my God, I see you. You're Sigma, stay Sigma. You're Sigma, Sigma. You're Sigma, stay Sigma. Sigma. Stay Sigma. You're Sigma. Stay Sigma. All for that. There's more way to learn. You know what you do there. You know what you do there. You need just to stay something for all women, I guess. Darling, you need me, you know a Sigma. You know what time do you know what Sigma means? You know what Sigma is. So you will stay Sigma. You will stay Sigma. Sigma. You need to stay Sigma. Sigma. You need to stay Sigma. Stay Sigma ever. When you broke up and cried, just say Sigma. Or you are in the hospital, or you wanted someone passed away. Just stay